let's replace a grip tape today. First, you need to get is a heat gun. If you don't have heat gun, you can use hair dryer. So the first step is we get the heat gun work and to heat the previous grip tape. Heat the surroundings and make sure the glue will be melted a little bit for you to peel the end easily. Okay, let's see whether it can peel easily. Okay, it's already melted. So here we go. Okay, it's still warm, so peel it off when the grip tape and the glue is still warm. So, and we can heat it again. I'm using low temperature, so if you for now it is summer, so the temperature is quite high, so I'm using low, but if for winter you can use high temperature. Okay. Yes, quite smooth. Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot. So I just heat the rest part to let this part cool down. Yeah, let it cool for a little bit. Okay, it's good. Okay, let me heat this part first. And the corners, because the four corner pieces are separate, so you can peel them off separately. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, pretty good. Nice and clean. So here for four corners. Good. Okay. Other two, let me see whether this one can be easily peeled off. Okay, the last one. Great. Okay, it's done. If it is dirty here, we need to get some cloth or mop to mop it off. Okay, clean it up. The surface, the dust on the surface, to clean them up. Actually, I'm gonna need a cloth, a mop. Okay. Yeah, to clean the dust on the surface to make it more adhesive. This is a new grip tape, and what I need to do is to peel this backing off and align it with the original grip tape's marking here. So yeah, make sure that the first lining is correct, okay? Here to the right ending. Don't stick too much, okay? And drag the backing a little bit. Oops. And the important part is that you should make sure the edge are properly aligned, okay, the corners, okay, here. It doesn't need to be pressed too hard at the beginning because it may not well aligned in the middle, so we still need to position it. Okay, let's see whether it is cool here. Okay, good. Then all the way off. Okay, let's see. Here we go. It's pretty good now. Okay. Make sure that the ending parts are pressed down properly. Okay, I found that the logo is on the other, should be on the other side. So make sure that you align your grip tape properly because the logo should be on this side. I was wrong. But no problem, just let you know that it is not so hard to get a new grip tape replaced, okay? Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.